mo hapakin yung blue.
Boom! Oh, heck na.
You're the one who suggested this. Good boy. But, why are you floating on my
Alam na ko eh.
You're floating on my screen.
Oh my gosh, it ain't no way. Bro! Pre! Ow!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I died!
So hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Rafdom here and we're playing another Roblox game. It's called Homework, to be honest. It's a 2.
Hey guys.
Yeah, I'm with Vives. Wala kami ng isa pang player since may ginagawa. So Homework is typically a 2-player game, a 2-player hobby. One is holding a pencil and one is holding an eraser. And yeah, that's all about what the game. I fudging hate
Alright.
Okay, anyways, yeah, just if you're a pencil, just write 3 boxes and you can jump up.
Oh.
Yes, and you can jump up.
Oh.
Come on, man!
Sorry.
Okay, it's either one of us are gonna die or what? Yeah, it's either one of us are gonna die and all of us dead.
If one dies, we all die.
Yeah.
Exactly the point.
exactly the point what we did. So yeah, we're just starting on this recording and yeah. Okay, it's my fault this time. So typically we're gonna do something else. Yeah, before we are going to start this game, let's do a part of this video that I'm proud of is you have to click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and click the like button so you can be with my Rafdom gang here for the future.
Yep, sir.
And besides, we're not gonna only play Homework. We are gonna play other games here in Roblox, just like Night Shift, horror games, and like other stuff. Ay, nako.
Oh my gosh, bro. Ayos!
Bro, nasa last block lang talaga, di ko maayos. Oops, wait. Okay, go. Erase. Good.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, jump. Because you have a pencil, you are the only one able to interact with blue parts. So I can only interact blue parts and you can interact red parts, am I right? Yeah, you're the red, yeah, you're the red one. What we're gonna do? Oh yeah, okay. Bro, erase! Lumapit ka nga dun. Lumapit tayo dun.
Alright then.
Erase mo. Okay, go. Erase. Nice. That's how teamwork does.
Extern.
Blue.
Erase. Use hold erase. Block.
Where go? Talon. Huwag mo hapakin yung blue. Huwag mo hapakin yung blue.
Boom!
Sabi mo. Oh my god, back to the start. Ah!
Oh, sorry. Natry ko kasi mag-bounce.
What?
Please, for the last time.
Erase, boy. What? mag-switch the roles.
My God.
Ah, you're the dog.
Oh, heck nah.
You're the one who suggested this. I'm the person and he's the dog. Aww, my doggy.
No, chill. What happened? Kaya ba, Tim?
This is going to be sus. Oh my God.
My
Okay,
God.
doggy, go. Good boy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, a bull. Doggy! Okay, go. Doggy jump. Go, doggy. Your butt is wiggling, to be honest.
True. Oh my gosh, are you serious?
This is so sus. Second game is dog going so sus. Good boy. Why? Why are you floating on my
Ano na ko eh.
You're floating on my screen.
Nice. Oh my God.
Doggy! Doggy! Ah!
Oh my God.
Doggy! Doggy! Ah! The dog jumps higher than an owner. Alright. Ah, taas mo magtalon.
Oh my gosh. Ano yun?
Let's go!
Oh.
Good boy. Okay, go. Jump. 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 Good. Perfect.
Oh, no.
Paano yung aso na huli?
Oh well, take it, then you pull.
Paano ba mag-press ng pull?
Nice one.
Jump. Jump. Just jump, doggy. Just jump.
Yes. Oh my gosh, ain't no way.
Oh, I died.
Bro. Pre. Better.
Jump. Oh my God, I died again.
No. Oh.
Pataging helicopter yung katawan ko. Floors.
Yes.
Yes, go! Oh. Come on, man! Go! Oh. Come on, man! Yung katawan mo yung pangpatay na aso talaga. Okay.
Ouch!
Oh my
What?
God.
Why do I die?
Ano ba yan? Nagdulo mo yung helicopter mo.
Yeah, oh my.
Ay!
Trying to say, bro, pulling.
Hindi ako makapag-fling back, may nag-fling sa akin. Pero nasa ilalim ako ng earth. Ay, yung platform. Pull me. Good. Ay ko, nontog ako. Good boy. Wait! Ah, eh. At mag-iba na nga lang tayo. This is the third game we are testing right now. Right? Third game, it is. Okay.
Wow, you're so tall.
You're so... Wala, yung mukha mo nag-iba. Parang night shift lang yung peg niya, no?
I think.
How can we get in? Ah, ito! Enter. Mali yung pinasukan ko and exit play pinapasok ko. Enter nga dapat eh.
My goodness!
Blues was just restocked again in 3 days. Pre, yan na. Pre, ikaw mag-awag na flashlight. Di ko makita kapag nagpapabayal ako. Okay mo yung flashlight. May ilaw mo.
Oh my gosh, yung employee. Oh my god. Oh
Di ko
god.
pa
Oh
natin
god.
makikita kahit na nahawak mo yung flashlight. Gamitin mo yung sword mo!
Kill! Kill! Kill!
Yan.
Oh my gosh, they can destroy yung ano.
Dapat nag-ready tayo.
Oh my gosh, we suck. We suck a lot.
Hindi natin talaga alam. First time ko lang dito laruin. Wala na akong ammo.
Oh my gosh, nasira yung sword. I died.
Kailangan ko na talaga na Robux para mabuhay ka. You know what? Meron na nga yung iba. Saan ka ba dito?
Oy, teka lang, may bahay na dito na may gumugumo ng ibang tao. Sige, pwede natin itong gamitan. Hindi, pre, makikita mo yung pangalan ko sa distance.
Saan ba? Ayun, nakita ko. May ilaw pala dito.
Isa lang.
Yan, nilagay ko na lang.
Ano ito? Yung kulay red? Hindi.
Nakita ko.
Ano? Malakas yan, pre. Like as in, just to warn you. Tulungan mo ko dito kunin yung mga pagkain.
Wait lang, nalapag ko lang yung mga ibang gamit. Ano yan?
Okay. 43, 52, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 32, 30, 30.
What's up guys? We're back in the video on the fourth game, Legendary Speed, na nilaro ko na itong dati din. Ngayon naglaro ulit ako. I'm with here of course, the BWS. Kaya nga itong buong video na ito kasama ko to.
I'm so slow!
Nakikita mo ako?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, wag ka muna sumali kasi mabagal ka. Kailangan kita i-trade para mabigay ko sa iyo yung gamit.
Useless. So slow.
Hindi kita may trade. I need.
Why?
Dapat join ka or nag-join ka sa group nila para may bigay sa'yo ng free gems na mas mataas for your early game. Diba may gift box dito, free gift? On your right corner, top of the right corner. Yung makikita kang regalo na design.
Same. Yan, may naklaim akong 100 gems.
Yan. Makaklaim ka ng either steps or 100 gems. Much worth it din yung steps. So yan. Ilan na yung gems mo?
Kaya lang, join muna ako sa group nila.
Join mo sa group kasi may free gems yun, alam ko eh. Kasi nag-join na ako sa group nila dati.
Script Blocks yan Studios?
Yes, sir. I've been playing this game for too long in other accounts, not this account to be honest.
Wow.
Puntayan mo itong chess. Makakawa ka
join the group and reward.
Itong chess. Itong chess. Pre, dito. Itong chess. Hindi mo na ako magjo-join.
Check back in 6 hours. Oh, dami na akong gems.
Okay, ilang gems mo? Ilang gems mo?
550.
550?
Yeah.
Dito muna tayo, para may starter ka.
Saan?
Ito. Nakakuha, natamaan mo?
Yung?
Ito, yung 150 steps.
Saan?
Ayan, yung ring na yan, orange ring.
Hindi. Hindi ko matama.
Punta ka muna dito sa red crystal. Ito, yung tumatalon na ako. Ang taas ng talon ko. Ito. Ayan, ito. Ito! Press
Red
E.
crystal.
Since may enough.
Open.
Since may enough ka. Ano nakuha mo?
Red kitty.
Yan. Pet yan, which is magbibigay sa'yo ng step tsaka gem additionally. Every time. Yung maximum level mo is level 50. Tapos ako naman, since rebirth 1 na ako, maximum rebirth ko na is level 75. Mag-i-increase yung level each time. Pag increase na level mo, mag-i-increase din yung speed mo.
Okay.
Pets mo, trails mo, naka-level up na yan, wala ka ng problema sa level up mo.
Alright.
Try to keep more speed until makaabot ka na mataas speed. Since nasa 1k ka pa lang, kailangan mo taasin pa. Hindi siya ganun ka-boring. Boring lang siya na simula, pero kailangan mo lang bilisan lang. First place ako. Kasi ako, naka-rebirth na ako ng 1, so kailangan ka ng maximum 75 yung level ko para mag-rebirth ulit ako. Pero speed ko na is 260. Ganun lang siya.
Okay.
Tapos kapag enough na yung takbo mo, pwede ka na mag-race sa mga ganito, yung ginagawa ko. Naunahan ako, kasi tumalon ako. Before nga, kailangan mo ng rebirth 1.
Gano'n ba katagal mag-rebirth 1?
Mag-level 50 ka lang, mabilis lang mag-level up.
Yan, na-complete ko na yung quest. Mayroon akong gems.
Yan, kapag may gems ka na, makakakuha ka ng mga more crystals pa, makakuha ka ng mga trails and pets. Kasi hindi ko na masyado maalala kung anong level kailangan mo abutin eh.
Ay, siguro level 12 or 13.
Hindi mo naabot,
Hindi ko pa maabot.
pero konti na lang.
Just a few more.
Alright then. Run! Hindi na ako maunahan. Ay, naunahan ako. Joke lang, may nauna sa akin. Pero nauna pa rin ako. Boom! First place. Well, sana all kasi di ako dito pa. Bago lang ako eh.
Oh!
Expert ba to?
Whee!
Expert ba to?
Ayun. Whee!
Ay, namatay ako. Saan ba mo ba itatamaan?
Ay, ko.
Yung rainbow? Oo.
Whoop!
Whoop! Whoop! Whoop! Whoop! Whoop! Whoop! Sayang. Malapit na yun.
Malapit na rin yung Ay!
Bagay ito kay Pat Engine, no? Mali.
Flip. Ano yun? Expert mode agad kasi.
Hindi kasi nagpa-practice. Level 4, baby.
Ay, level 87 na pala ako sa game na to. Parang, kasi nilaro ko na to dati. Okay.
Nalaro mo na pala to dati. Kaya ako, di ko pa to nilalaro.
Nilaro namin to ni Nathan.
Level 6 pa nga lang ako eh.
Ayun! Yes! 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 Level 88. Oh my goodness gracious. Skibidi Toilet Sigma.
Bakit?
Namatay ulit ako. Skibidi Toilet Sigma.
First try?
Ito lang.
First try? Oh, hell yeah, first try.
Yeah, may mga Oreo doon na. Oreo.
First try, boys. Ang lapit nun. Ano ba yan?
First try? Oh my gosh. What the heck did I hit?
What the?
What? Bruh.
Nag-glitch ako sa wall, pero nanalo pa rin ako.
What? That's cheating.
I
Flip.
don't know. I'm not cheating. It's just glitch. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Wow, galing. Okay, don't hate the player, hate the game.
Of course. I don't know it's a cheat. I don't know it's a glitch, alright? I just fall. I just hit a train. Stupid train. First try ko nga yun sana. Ay, wala na. Natamaan ko yung road.
Dang it.
Punta ako dito sa gilid.
Flip.
Muntikan na ako. Pero nanalo pa rin ako. Ito yung extreme. Ito yung magandang extreme, sinasabi ko.
Oh, yes, I made it. Level 89. Oh my goodness gracious, KBD Toiletries Sigma. First try? First try? Yung first try! Oh my gosh, first try!
Ano yung nakikita mo dun?
Level 89? I don't know.
Same level lang bala tayo or hindi?
Pumunta ko sa expert. I don't know.
Pumunta ko sa expert.
Oh my goodness gracious, ano to?
First try, baby.
First try, galing.
Ito yung mahiyap. Hindi mo makikita kung saan yung mga blocks.
Second try? Wait, what? How did I die? Natamaan ko yung bottom.
Hindi ko din alam paano din tayo. Oh my god, ito yung ayaw ko.
May arrow. May arrow. Wait.
Ay, Diyos ko po, police car. Bad trip, napatay ako.
Ay, ano natamaan ko?
Natamaan ko yung police car.
Oh, what did I hit? I hit nothing but air.
Ang laki naman yung hitbox.
Level 91. Oh my goodness gracious. Ano to?
COVID-19?
What?
Amin na COVID-19. Pumpkins! Let's go! Muntikan ko na tamaan yung stem. Yung mga kotse, Extreme ba to?
Iba pa yung nakikita natin?
Ano ba yung nakikita mo?
Rainbow.
Rainbow? Ako iba.
Oh my gosh, bruh. Ain't no way.
Iba yung nakikita ko na yun.
Okay, 92. Oh my gosh, yes.
25 na ako. No! Akala ko di ako tatama. Akala ko tatama ako.
Ibang nakikita natin. Okay, sige. Aray ko po.
Nagtataka ako nasa extreme mode ba ako? Pero parang feeling ko hindi ganito ka-extreme.
What the? Ano yun?
Am I just too good or I'm just saying I'm just getting lucky?
Shit.
Okay, this is the worst level. Ito yung arrow. Hindi ko natamaan. May arrow ako nakikita, pero hindi ko natamaan.
Stupid thing.
Natamaan ko.
Ayoko mag-race quit. Oh my gosh, 93, level 93. Okay, let's go.
May insect dito. Natamaan ako ng spider. Dito ako sa gilid. Mas maganda dito sa gilid eh. Told you, maganda yung gilid. Yung mga crabs. Do a crab dance, boys.
Yep.
Crab dance.
What is oh my goodness. Ang daming mga balls, pre. Ang daming mga balls.
Hindi cotton candy nakikita ko. Uno pala.
Anong ulo?
Ender Dragon. NCT.
94.
Chess! Let's go! I like chess. Joke lang, I died. I don't like chess. Malakas na yung ulan sa akin.
I'm going to die. I think I died, guys.
Malakas yung ulan Umuulan ba sa inyo?
Umuulan.
Squid Game. I died.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my
god. Maghanap na opening.
I made it.
Dito.
Yo, what is aray na-distract ako. Ako ng Robux screen. Robux screen.
Iba yung nakikita natin dalawa.
Yup. Iba. Magkaiba. Ano to? Sydney? Oh my goodness. First try.
Second try. Ang bilis lang. Ano level mo na?
98.
38 na ako.
Aray ko, what the?
Ang layo ko pa yun. Sa'yo.
Ouch! Ay, pre, nakikigit kita.
Yung mga noobs. Bad tip tong mga noobs.
Kung pinakamata sa level, what the flip? I'm that good? Aray, may branch! Branch!
Yun! Uy, dala sign. Ay,
Oh my gosh, bro. This is the worst level, bro.
money,
98 is the...
money
Ah!
currency.
Oh,
Money currency
avoid the
kasi.
branch. Yes. 99.
Ang hirap gawin yung money currency di ko mahanap yung masyado opening. Kaya na nga, mag-iba na nga lang. Hindi ko na kaya. Okay, go. Password.
Password.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yun lang.
Oh, best password ever. Small game. Oh, di ba? Sige. Puntahin, kasama natin ang nanay natin. Tapos, papunta siya sa kaibigan niya. Tapos mag...
Tanong ko lang talaga, bakit babae ka?
We're excited to let you know that our Christmas sale event is now on, and we're offering a
Bakit ka nga
25%
babae,
off
sabihin
discount on all items store-wide. That's right.
Sige,
Everything
ito na,
is 25% off
BC
just in
BC
time for the
Penny.
holidays.
I
So
know how
whether
to play
you're
this
shopping for
game.
gifts or
There you are.
Kaya mo, magsasalita lang sila all day. Kausapin natin siya. Ito. Gusto nung kausapin. Teka lang.
Namang. Explore the mall. Saan mo gusto mo? Ito, kausapin natin. You notice him mumbling to himself. For real.
Notice him mumbling. Ay, nako, nag-roleplay na siya.
Those
For real?
girls keep chatting for the day away in the middle of the store. When are they gone? Hello, excuse me, sir. That's just my mom. She can't go on and far away. He looks up to
Oh,
you.
hey, hero. What's up? Need something? Alam ko naman anong mangyari. Teka lang, kausapin ko sa mall.
Nah, I'm just bored.
Ito ako sa Raw Records. Kausapin ko to. What's up? Ayaw ko na kausapin. Alam ko naman anong mangyayari.
Kausapin natin yung iba. Nilaro ko na din to dati.
Ako rin. Makikita naman natin yan mamaya. May mangyayari. Just saying. The viewers watching.
Yeah. You know what, viewers, nilaro namin to dati, pero kayo, panoodin nyo na lang. Kung nalaro nyo na, sige.
Something will happen later on, guys. Skip na lahat. Ayaw ko kausapin. I'm gonna go to BD's, ano to? Block stop.
Hindi na. Ano yun?
Oh, bagong objective. Tara, akit na tayo.
Teka lang, pe. Ay, ito mo yung ginagawa ko. Makyat. Ba't ka nakaganyan lang? Ito na.
Ito nga, yung meron dito basta, this is gonna be scary. Ito, Abby game!
Oh, hell na. Sige, game.
I know how to do this. Jump!
Namatay ka agad. Naka-first perspective view na tayo.
Going blackout.
Walkie-talkies were please calling. Hey, kid, you're awake? Come on, get up! You passed out. Take these flashlights and come downstairs.
Keep my level low.
Flashlights, walkie-talkie, crouch. Mali. Ano dito flashlight? F, okay. Press the use button to...
Wala naman tayo okay, naka-Discord call naman tayo.
Yeah. Saan ka? Sa baba?
Yeah.
Maraming patay ng tao. Iba takot, iba patay. Hey, sorry kid. I was a little out of it. Press M to view your event map. Wow, papel!
Ito yung map na nandito namin ni Nathan. Pero naintindihan naman ni Nathan. So,
Alright.
ito yung arcade. Papunta doon. Dapat doon tayo sa PC10, ba?
Yes, sir. Hindi ka makakapag-flashlight?
No.
I see.
Ito. Oh my gosh, we're here. Pre, dito kami namatay. Ni Nathan, doon.
Really?
Di namin to na natapos itong level na to. Don't move!
Don't move, boy! Don't move!
Pag nakita mo siya, never move a muscle.
Of course, pang red light, green light. Kapag nakasabi na don't move, doon na tayo, wag na gumalaw. Go. Nag-shutdown yung PC. I'm dead. Sinutdown agad yung PC ko eh. I die. Hindi ko nakita. Ano ba yan?
Bruh, ito nga eh. Patay na din ako.
Paano ko namatay? She's attracted to noise. Hindi naman tayo gumawa ng noise.
Mrs. Old Knees never lets anyone relieve themselves.
No! Stop
Actually, teacher.
and go to the bathroom!
I told you. I keep telling you. Nobody, and I mean nobody, gets out of here without a little sharps. Just
Why is the hippo big? Why is the hippo bug is talking to us?
Pooped himself, and now he's
Nathan died?
Oh
From a
no!
poop?
I can feel your stomach rumbling. You aren't gonna make it. You're gonna explode. Listen, you need to leave. Don't worry, you won't have to do this alone.
Stop! Get back here!
Oh, nice one. Get face palm, boy.
I'll definitely keep her away from us.
Make a mistake, you'll fart.
We should probably
Fart
talk about the
15 times and
conditions
you'll
here.
poop
But I
yourself.
can see the bathroom.
Don't poop
Now
yourself.
hurry, before you
All
pop
progress
like
is
a
lost.
balloon.
Oh, okay,
Like a
sige.
little poop-filled balloon.
Make a mistake and you'll fart. Fart 15 times and you'll poop yourself. Don't poop yourself for all progress. Okay.
Don't worry, you won't have to do this alone. I'm here. Your best friend is right here.
Ay,
I
namatay
know
ako.
people make fun of you for having a child's
Hello.
backpack as
Ay,
your best
namatay
friend,
ako.
but I think it's super cool that you don't care about being a loser.
Hold on a second, nerd. What are you in such a hurry for? Don't tell me you're about to poop your pants.
Ano ba? Weird na mukha na to.
Like I'm gonna let you go inside? I want you to poop yourself.
Ano gumawa nito? Like, as in.
I don't
Don't
know.
worry about this bathroom, buddy. I'm sure there's another one close by.
Right. Goodbye, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our suffering. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you should do next.
Yes.
Don't forget to ring the bell. Share this video with your friends.
Of course, we should share this.
We'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright?
Right. Of course, we're gonna catch them. Who farted?
Not me.